Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech So today in this video, we'll be seeing how you can use ChatGPT Unlimited for free. First we need to do is we just need to open Google Chrome and just go to ChatGPT. Logged in, here you'll be able to see that ChatGPT requires premium subscription to use it unlimited. I'll be showing you how you can use. So we'll go to Superpower ChatGPT on Google and we'll just click on the first link. We'll click on add to Chrome. Now as you can see, the extension has been installed. We'll just do one more time refresh, and we just need to go to the settings, conversation, and there'll be an option override model switcher. So we just need to turn it on, and I'll just close it. And as you can see, we have ChatGPT 3.5, ChatGPT 4.0 mini. But the interesting thing, we also have O1 mini, which can do your research, which can help you in browsing, also analyze, and as you can see, it's unlimited. And you can even do image generation as well as collaborate on writing and code. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel techdev98 if you found this helpful. And the next topic will be on uh, various prompts. I'll be showing you a prompt library. Thank you so much.